There are like what, 4067 fonts in DaVinci Resolve, or at least that's what it looks like when I try to look for the right one. And most of the times, like, we only need 3. DaVinci Resolve 20 introduces us to the new option of selecting specific fonts. So this way we could stop overthinking and stop wasting time on searching for a good font amongst this huge pile of shit. First, go ahead and create a plain text file. On Mac, you can use the text editor, create new file. Here you have to write the names of the fonts that you'd like. Make sure you write them one name per line, just like this. If you want to include every font that starts with a specific word, type it and then put an asterisk at the end, like this. Make sure your file is .txt. Cool, now open DaVinci Resolve, go to Preferences, User, Editing, scroll down to Text, and check this new checkbox. Then browse and select the text file we just created. Click Save, and you're good to go. Sometimes you need to restart Resolve, but in my case, this wasn't needed. There you have it, no clutter, no more anxiety from all those choices. But of course, if you'd like to bring back all the fonts, just go back to Preferences and uncheck the checkbox. This was my neat tip for today. Subscribe as I'm trying to reach 1 million, and watch something else.